Stop by and take a look at the 2010 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, cruise control, electronic stability control, power windows, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers, CD player, power door locks. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.